I'm going to explain you how to clean the geyser. The water heater geyser, minimum 15 days once we have to clean it properly. Otherwise, because of the hard water, it will be the lot of the hard water content will be accumulated on the heater, so it will be created some noise also, and maybe it will be slow down the water heating, and then maybe the power consumption also will be increased. So we have to clean every 15 days once. In 15 days we have to clean the geyser properly. And now today I am going to explain it to everybody. So how to disconnect and how to open the geyser and how to clean it again, how to reassemble. So this process I will explain you today. Just see, this is we have geyser, Bajaj big geyser we have in our home. So I will show you how to open it and how to clean it and how to again reassemble it. So that process I will explain you. Let's start. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. We have removed the, and then we have to stop the water inlet to the geyser. Then we have to remove this water inlet pipe. Okay. Stop. Now we have removed the water inlet pipe. Now I am going to remove this hot water outlet pipe from the geyser. There is a 20-liter water there in the geyser. It will come outside.
I love you, Bangara.
The geyser water is coming outside. Once it is empty.
Wait. I love you, Bangara.
Now we have removed the geyser. So you can see, this is outlet for hot water, this is inlet for cold water, and this is for temperature setting. So you can set whatever temperature you want, and as per that it will be cut off. So now we'll open this geyser, then let's start. Upon the plate. This is okay. So this sponge you have to remove, and this is heater wires we have to disconnect, and this is temperature sensor you have to remove. Okay, so now this is input wire, you have to disconnect. This is, now you can see, this is separated to keep it like this. Now we have disconnected all electrical wires. You can see this is disconnected. You can see this all nuts we have to remove. I have removed all hardwares. I have to remove this plate. See, now we have to lift this heater. See how the hard water content is accumulated on the heaters. So this is the problem. So this is the reason we have to clean the heater every 15 days. We have to open and then we have to clean. Again we have to reassemble. You can see this hard water content on the heater. Also you can, and yeah. You can see how the hard water content is there on the heater. So you have to remove this all hard water content. You can see how much is there. You can see inside the heater also. You can see inside the heater tank how it is there. So there is a lot of hard water content is accumulated. Now the heater is cleaned completely. I will again reassemble this heater and complete geyser. Let's start. This is earthing wire. I have to fix it. Yeah, these two are heaters wires. I have to connect. It should not be loose. Actually, it should be tight. And these two neutral and phase wire we have to connect. Alright, this L. This neutral. Then we have fixed. Install the geyser here. Now before connecting the plug, we have to connect water inlet pipe and outlet pipe. This is inlet. You have to connect here, the blue area. This is outlet pipe, hot water. Hot water outlet pipe. This one you have to connect. This is safety valve. And then you have to connect that. Now we have connected outlet pipe and inlet pipe. Now we have to switch on this inlet water to the heater. Now geyser is installed. So now water tank should be filled the water, and after filling only you have to switch on the supply and switch on the supply.